All right. Big Kahuna Burger, people. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, my God. Whoa. Woo. Oh, my God. You don't need to get involved with that, baby. Come on. Whoa. Hello and welcome to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we're going to be cooking up the Big Kahuna Burger. It's going to be insane. We're going to be using some pineapple, some teriyaki sauce, some burger. We're going to be smashing them with some cheese. It's going to be insane. I can't wait, guys. It's going to be incredible. So, who's coming over tonight? Well, I guess you could probably guess. We've got Steve Wheeler on his way over. He's going to be playing some guitar for us tonight. Also, we have Arthur Zaragoza on guitar as well. And we also have Ryan Cobb on bass. So, without further ado, here we go, people. Boom! Here we go, guys. We're gonna go into some smash burgers. We're gonna be doing some pineapple. We've got some onion, jalapeno, some cheese. What else are we doing? Oh, we've also got some killer teriyaki sauce that we whipped up earlier that we're gonna be putting down below for a, you can check it out, see if you wanna do this yourself. So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping this and getting this all cooked up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do here on the griddle. So, here we go. So we're going to be making 2 patties, 3-ounce little balls, putting them on the griddle. We're going to smash them. We're going to be putting some of my OG Barbecue Jams rub on here. By the way, which you can get, you can pick up a bottle if you like on the shopthemerchco.com. I think I got that right? Did I do it this time? Okay, good. Yep. Anyway, check it out. Pick up a bottle. Just support the channel, guys. It's great. Get involved. Come on. Yeah, so next we're going to be going in for some 3-ounce balls of our beef. About that big. And I have some pepper jack tonight for cheese and also American, so depending on what you're into, we're going to be using some pepper jack for these Big Kahuna burgers. We're gonna caramelize some onions over here. We're gonna put on some jalapenos. We're gonna heat those up. We're gonna be smashing some burgers, so here we go. Going in with 2 of our patties. Smash them down. Lots of Barbecue Jams rub. Gotta go on with our pineapple. Do a couple of buns. Gonna go on with some onion. You will be. Smash these babies down. Bun's looking beautiful. Now it's time to go in with some cheese. Let's plate these guys out. Oh man. Double trouble, baby. Look at that. Woo! Gotta go in with some pineapple. Get a little of that extra flavor there, baby. All right. little bit of this barbecue sauce on it. We made this little sort of teriyaki barbecue sauce my sister and I came up with last night. Throw a little bit of that drizz on there. Nothing crazy. Oh yeah. There it is. Just trying to make a break for it. We're gonna pull her back in. Alright. Alright. Am I forgetting anything? I think we're good. Now we're going in for the topper. Boom. Just like that. Oh, guys, look at that thing. Holy smokes. You guys ready to get involved with some Kahuna burgers? Good Lord. Alright, here we go. I'm going to give her a cut down the middle.
Nancy says, I don't care what you decide. But
Just make it happen. That's right. Oh, yeah. How should it look?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at that. Guys. Oh. Big Kahuna Burger, people. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, my God. Whoa. Woo! Oh my God. You don't need to get involved with that, baby. Come on! Hey, we're gonna bring Ryan Cobb in. Come on, Bubba. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, man. You ready to get involved with one of these Big Kahuna burgers?
Sure, brother.
Oh my God, look at that thing. Woo!
Oh, baby.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God. Whoa. That is a powerhouse burger right there, Bubba.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Dude.
This is fantastic.
Insane. That is incredible. So much flavor, that pineapple, that teriyaki sauce. No jalapenos on mine, but that's all right.
I'm gonna have to try jalapenos on
Might have to try that. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to hook you up, brother. Dude, thanks so much for coming out to the show, man.
Appreciate it, dude.
All right, man. Hey, cool. All right, we'll be right back, guys. All right, so we have Alan Cobb here tonight. What's going on, man?
Hey, man. Thanks for the invite over.
Hey, of course.
Enjoy it.
Absolutely.
Have a great time.
Sweet, man. Cool. We're glad to have you over. Ryan's going to be killing it on bass tonight. It's a lot of fun. Martine is over here tonight also. He's going to dive in with you on some burger action. So you guys ready to get involved with some burgers?
Sure, love to.
All right, cool. Here, there's some paper towels right here if you want to grab one. Yeah, I'm gonna hook you up. Oh, do you want to put that on a plate?
That's fine. No, you're good.
Oh, it's hold on.
Just go for it? Okay, cool. And we got Martine here going in. Y'all check it out. Tell me what you think.
All right, here I go.
Look at that, baby. Woo!
That's a yes.
How are we looking?
His mouth's full. He can't say anything.
Dynamite? Yeah. Sweet.
Dude,
Nice.
excellent.
Yeah, guys. Oh,
Wow.
delicious. Man, those things are off the charts. I'm loving that. That is a great recipe.
Yep.
The Big Kahuna guys. Get involved, guys. Come on. James Salter's going to want some, right?
All right.
Let me hold on. Let me make some real quick. I'm going to make some more. Let me make some more up here. All right, Ryan Cobb's woman here, Ashley, is going in for a spicy,
What's up?
How's it going? You excited to be here?
Very excited.
I know you're excited about this burger too. You ready to get in? You ready to get involved?
I'm ready to
Come
get
on! All right, let's go.
All right, I'm going
Give it a
for the
shot.
spicy.
It's a little hot, so temperature
Yeah, it
hot
is.
anyway.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna get you a paper towel.
Wow.
Hey, I got a wow. That's good. Wows are good. Yeah.
That's
she's
pretty
got a
much- that's
smile
pretty
on her
much what I
face. This is
said.
great. You enjoying your time over here? It's a good time. You enjoy the jams. You know,
This
it's
is my
always a good
second time trying it, but first time with jalapenos.
Ah, very good. Which one do you like better?
First time trying jalapeno.
Jalapeno or regular?
Honestly, regular.
Regular? Okay.
So
hey,
good.
to each their own. That's all good.
I love jalapenos though.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Spicy. But regular, just, I don't know.
Sometimes
flavor
just
was
does
so
the
good
job.
without the jalapenos.
Yeah, I agree. Hey, thanks for hanging out and being on the
All
show.
right.
Appreciate you. All right, cool.
All right,
Woo!
Salzer.
Got a girl on the show. I can't believe it.
Salzer, come try it.
Hey, Salzer, yeah. What do you want to do? A regular
He
or a
wanted a
spicy?
spicy.
Okay, you got the spicy going
It's
on?
looking spicy.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's not super spicy.
I can handle it. All right, spicy guy right here, buddy. Coming in hot. James Salzer. What do you think?
Oh.
It's a mountain burger, isn't it?
Ooh. God, good thing I'm hungry.
Oh man. Flavor explosion. Arthur, you're next, buddy.
So many,
You ready to get in?
so many interesting flavors in this thing.
I know.
All the things you can do with possum.
All these interesting flavors. It's wonderful.
Hey, it's wonderful. Woo! Mr. Wonderful here. All right, guys, we're having a great time. We're gonna bring Arthur Zaragoza in now. Hey, what's up, dude? How's it going, brother?
Everything's good.
Oh yeah, it's great.
man.
You excited?
Yeah, for sure,
I
man.
got you a sweet
That looks great.
Big Kahuna Burger ready for you.
All right.
You ready for this?
Yeah, let's go.
Grab and go and just enjoy.
All right, let's go. Barehanded. Whoa. What is that, like a Hawaiian burger?
Oh, dude, yes, exactly. You got a little pineapple, you got a little teriyaki splashy on there, double
Fantastic.
patty with
All right.
cheese. Oh,
Man, cheers. Cheers, everyone.
yes, cheers. Whoa, now that, check out that bite, dude. Oh my God. Did you eat tonight? Oh, you saved yourself. Dude. Yeah? He's speechless. He can't even talk. It's just a bunch of mumbling.
Wow. Sweet and salty. I love it.
Hey, all right. Sweet and
love it.
savory. I love it.
Cheers.
Dude, hey, another winner over here. Hey, guys, you guys enjoy these jams? We'll be right back. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. The Big Kahuna Burger was a blast. What do you guys think? Did you guys enjoy that? Insane, right? Oh my God, incredible burger. You guys have got to try it out. Guys, the jams are killing it. The cooks are killing it. Derek Enter, thank you so much for the swag. You're killing it also. By the way, I'm going to bring on Alan over here. Alan Cobb. This is Ryan Cobb's dad. He's joining us tonight. What's up, dude?
Howdy, how are
Hey,
you?
thanks so much for being here. And
Thanks
we're
for
gonna-
allowing me to join you.
Well, you know,
Terrific.
it's all good. I'm glad you can make it, man.
Sure.
And I'm going to hook you up with some swag here.
All right,
From the
I
merch
got it.
company. Yeah, so
Love
it's
it.
official. You've been barbecue jams.
All right.
Woo! All right, all right, guys. Well, until next time, we're going to catch you next time, guys. Thank you all so much. Please like and subscribe. That's it. Boom. All right. Yeah.
High five.
High five, high five, high five. You got to do the high fives. Come on with the high fives.
Yeah.
Low five. I don't know. Whatever. Come on, people.
Yeah,
Easy.
All right. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace. You ready to get involved with Big
I'm
Kahuna
rolling,
Burgers?
brother.
All right, cool. Hey, you guys there? Anybody there? I hope you're there watching, liking and subscribing. Enjoy these jams. We're having a good time, people. Come on.